Do you find opening Demat accounts complicated? Well, we've made it extremely easy for everyone. In just 7 simple steps, you can open a free account on 5paisa in under 5 minutes. To begin with, download the 5paisa mobile application from Play Store and open the app. Step 1. Enter your name and mobile number and click on Register. You will receive an OTP on the number provided. Enter the OTP to get verified. Then enter your email ID. You'll receive an OTP via email to be entered on the app for verification. Enter your PAN number and date of birth as mentioned in the PAN card. Step 2. Enter your Aadhar number and you will receive an OTP for successful verification. Once it's done, your address details and Aadhar card will be updated from DigiLocker, which is a government-authorized service. Step 3. Enter your bank account number and IFSC code for online verification. Step 4. Enter your personal details such as name, occupation, father's name, etc. Step 5. Click a nice and clear selfie and upload it. Step 6. Then provide an on-screen signature in the space given. Step 7. As the final step, digitally sign your form by filling up the e-sign form with your Aadhar details using the secure NSDL website approved by the government. Once you enter the OTP received, your process will finally be complete. Your free Demat account is now ready. For well-informed investments, try 5paisa. Watch our other tutorial videos to learn more about 5paisa. Download the 5paisa app today.